Lee McMorris is a Canadian professional snowboarder who specializes in slopestyle and big air events. While filming for Transworld Snowboarding's Park Sessions video in March 2011, Mark became the first person to land a Backside Triple Cork 1440. More recently, on April 28, 2018, Mark landed the world first double cork off of a rail, the Front-Board Double Cork 1170 with melancholy grab. Mark has also left his mark at X Games and other events. In 2012 and 2013, Mark won back-to-back gold medals in Winter X Games in the slopestyle event. He competed in the slopestyle event at the 2014 Winter Olympics in Sochi, where he won a bronze medal, Canada's first medal in those games. At the 2018 Winter Olympics in PyeongChang, he won a bronze medal in the slopestyle event, only 11 months after a snowboarding accident with near-fatal internal injuries. He has also appeared in many videos for Transworld Snowboarding, Burton, Redbull, CBC, and Shredbots. In 2006, when Mark was only 12, he rode his wakeboard around Lake Wascana pulled behind a dragon boat for 3.5 kilometers in attempt to set a Guinness World Record. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.